Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to import an Excel file to your board in Monday web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Monday website by going to your browser and type in monday.com. After that you will need to connect with your email if you have already an account. If you don't know, just sign up with your email and create a new account, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So the first step is to go to your working space, go to your board, and then you will go to the 3 points action here in the corner, and you click on it, and basically we will go to more action, and here we will find import tasks, and by that you will be able to import the files from or the information, the data from the Excel to the Monday application. Then you will click on click to browse. You will search for some Excel file. So I'm going just to have something here, and this is a file that I already had. You click on next, choose the column from the Excel, click next. You will choose here the columns of your Excel file. Depends on what you want. You can have it here, or you can do whatever you want. Then you will create either new items or overwrite items if there are some duplicates between your tasks and the Excel file. So let's just have skip items if we had them, and then start import. And basically now we are importing the tasks from our Excel file to our board here in Monday web application. So basically this is how you can do it on Monday web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.